So gold price jumped more than 3% on Friday. As you know that the tension in the Middle East is growing and every investor is running for gold. As you know that gold is considered as a safe haven asset and everyone want to buy gold in condition like this. Also, despite warmer than expected US inflation report, currently there is an expectation and everyone is expecting this, that Fed will not hike rate in the November meeting, which is also helping gold price. So we have seen a big bullish move by gold and it is moving without breaks. So what are the levels that we can consider for intraday trading and what are the level for next week movement? We are going to discuss those level. So we are going to discuss the gold on price action point, and before that we are going to discuss the latest COT report, that is the commitment of traders report. So as you can see, this is the report and we are going to look into the gold, and we generally look into the positions of the managed money, and surprisingly the managed money is still covering their long position from this latest report, and they still adding into the short positions. So overall the managed money is still bearish on gold, as you can see, because they still adding into the shorts and they covered some long position. But if you remember the analysis from the previous video, if we look at the number for history range of 1 year, you can see that the current net positions, these are the net position, this yellow line, these are the net positions of managed money, that is both long and short, and this is currently moving toward the lowest of the year right over here. And you know that after the October November in previous year we have seen a good movement in the bullish side by gold, and if you remember the previous analysis I clearly mentioned this, that currently it is in bullish area and gold followed that analysis perfectly. So overall the numbers, the net positions of managed money is going into the downside. So in future if we see some good long addition and short recovery by managed money, then bulls are good to go on gold and we can look for buy opportunities for long term as per this report. So now let's move on to the daily chart of gold. So on the daily chart you can see, and we already discussed this chart and already shared this chart in the Telegram channel also, you can see that for this bullish cycle from here to this high right over here, gold price currently took support to this Fibonacci golden zone and did not break below 1790, and it took support at 1810 and formed a triple bottom, as you can see, and this is a good support. And I clearly mentioned this in previous analysis video that we can buy above this zone and we can only sell if breakdown from here, and we have seen a good bullish move by gold. And if we talk in terms of the support resistance on the daily, you can see that the nearby resistance is this area, because from this area we have seen a good decline in previous week, and the area and the levels that we have to watch carefully is the level at 19452 to 1955. That is a bigger range, but overall this is a bigger area that we have to watch carefully for daily time frame. If price break above this area, then we can consider that it can extend this bullish rally toward the this high level. So sorry, so this range or this area is our main concern on the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, our near buy support is of course the psychological level of 1900, and the level of 1896 is our main support on the daily time frame. So this is the scenario, and we will look for buy opportunity above 1900 or near to 1896 area. So we have seen a extended bullish rally, so better we have to wait a pullback. I will discuss that on intraday time frame later in this video. So also, if we check the chart on the monthly, uh, this is the monthly candle, as you can see. And if we check the chart carefully, you can see we are currently in the middle of the month, and you can see this is a good bullish candle. So on the monthly, it is clearly turning bullish. If candle close near about at around 1950 or above that level, then of course we can extend and we can see a bullish move by gold. And this is the main support that is same like on the daily. So this is also a good support on the monthly chart also. And if we check the chart of the US 10Y, this right over here, you can see that gold also getting benefit from this, because we have seen a rejection from here, two-time rejection, and it is currently going down on daily time frame, and the nearby support is at 4.551% on this area. So if it is going to test, then we can expect that gold can maintain that bullish run. And if it break down, you know that gold going to test the recent ATH, that is all time high, and this is the recent support or the nearby support for US 10Y. So we have to keep watching this chart also on daily time frame. And if we move on to the volume analysis on 4-hour time frame, this is the volume profile chart. As you can see, this was the volume near to this consolidation range which pushed the price, and currently the price is trading above to this high volume area. This right over, you can see this is the high volume area previously, and currently price is extending uh, it's really about this zone. So of course this is our main resistance now, and under this we can look for some short opportunities in intraday, but a breakdown, then we going to look for buy opportunity. And as you can see, if we look at the volume, growing volume, this was the highest volume near to this support, and this one also a good volume. And this candle right over here is also a good volume candle, you can see. And this also, so these two candle is a good high volume candle which can maintain this bullish move until unless price break down below this, we can look for the buy opportunities only. And if we talk in terms of the intraday pivot placement, let me show you. So for intraday levels, this is the 30-minute chart, you can see. For intraday, as you can see, price is extending above to next day's CPR, and this is the top line of the CPR. It is at around 1920. So for a better buy opportunities, we have to wait we can wait actually near to this level, and then we can look for buy opportunities. And the lowest level for intraday is the level at 1900. So if price is able to stay above this, then we can look for buy. And for sell, either we have to wait it to reject to R1 around 1950. As you can see, if it reject, then after confirmation we can look for sell opportunity. So for sell, either wait it to retest over to this zone for a safer entry, or it let it to break down the level of 1900. So this is the scenario on the 30-minute chart. Also, let me show you the volume that generated on gold future chart in yesterday's move. This is the 1 hour time frame, and you can see these two candle right over here, this right over here, and this biggest volume in previous 1 week. If you scroll back, you can see there is no big volume in the 1 hourly chart, but these two candle is of high volume. You can see this on order flow. So these two volume candle is our main concern on gold future. You can synchronize this data along with the support chart. So at gold future, this is at 1910, and this one, this candle right over here, this is at 1900. This lowest of this candle. Sorry, this right over 1910, and for this it is at 1920. So above this, bulls are in control, and below this we can look for sell opportunities. So these are the scenario on intraday time frame and on daily time frame. So we will discuss more about these levels in live trading session in live Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.